hate working on new cars. Something like this and a stand tool are like the #1 tools that you need now. So this Nissan Juke won't start. Figured it was this fuel pump relay since it's burnt up. Replaced that, which was actually really difficult to find a replacement because the ones that I was finding that I was getting at like the auto parts stores, this little tab here actually went the opposite way. But anyways, finally found the right one, put that in, didn't do anything. End up tracing the wires back to the fuel pump here, which of course you gotta remove half the car to get to. The whole seat and everything has to come out. But I don't know, maybe that's better because at least I didn't have to lay on my back. Anyways, here's a little wire, and I can tell someone's been in here before because these here should be sealed down and both of them are lifted up. Plus the seats weren't completely locked in. So I don't know, I always look for stuff like that when I'm working on cars. But yeah, rubbed through wire here that was shorting out, and when I jiggled it, I could hear the fuel pump start. So I just got to fix that, and now it'll be good to go. Thank God.